lovers, welcome to back to our channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top halter designs. Before starting the video, I'll request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can very amazing and beautiful designs show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Ellie, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you can like our videos. If you want fashion related which my, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing fashion related design. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. We will take again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember prayer, and bye.